Okay, so we are going to the Islamic library, right, of Brunei Darussalam. So this is a very secluded place. Not many people actually know about this place. But if you see over here, you can see, wow, look at this.
Wow, very nice.
Magnificent building. Yeah.
Wow, this is
like the Taj Mahal.
Wow, this is really unseen before.
Yeah, I don't think you came here before to see this place.
Yeah, never been here.
So you can have a look. Okay.
Oh, so nice.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, so this is the Islamic library. I actually never been inside, but I'm not sure if you can actually go inside. But
never mind, if you really cannot just.
But we can have a look here. So they say they kept all the this Islamic artifacts and stuff like that over here.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice, huh? Maybe next time we can go inside lah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, this is a very beautiful building.
Yeah, very beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the wall looks like Taj Mahal somehow.
The modern Taj Mahal.
Yeah. So usually those people who came to Brunei, like those. Okay, maybe there. See, so this is still under renovation. Bukan tempat dropping, yeah. Okay, but this one, wow, when I come here, wow.
You also feel
imagine if you sit down there, looks good lah.
Yeah, magnificent.
Good place to take wedding photos too.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice, right?
Yeah, it is really very nice.
Yeah, okay,
especially also the Temburong Bridge I saw when I was there. I said, wow, it's so amazing.
Wow. Really fun. I have no idea what's this also. Yeah. Okay, just have a look.
Yeah, just have a quick look.
Maybe next time. Very nice things to see. This is a mahogany tree. Then in Miri they got plant it along the Krok, the highway there. Then this same tree.